fireplace mantle. Didn't show you too much of it, but it's gonna look pretty cool, so I'll show you the putting together. Got the front piece, got the two sides, and then it gets top on top. So cut that up, put it together, show you what it looks like. Base puttied up here. I gotta start sanding that. He's sanding up the main piece. We'll get that done and put her together. Well, put the mirror down and stop looking at yourself. Oh, what was that? Cinders. Right. So we're gonna go ahead and seal this part. Waiting a little bit on the top. We're gonna put that on after it's finished. Finish up the fireplace mantle. Crash that into the side. The last piece is on, it's all ready for the last coats of finish, make it look beautiful.
Well, we're off to deliver the fireplace mantle. Worked out best to do it in the evening, and it's Minnesota, so it's dark. Middle of a snowstorm here, so still got a few miles to go. Yeah, we'll be there after a bit. It's about 16 degrees, snowing. It's normal Minnesota evening. We got the important people along today. We got Piney along to run the cameras and Jane's along to help carry stuff. The boys are supposed to be doing things back in the shop. I don't know if they are or not, but that's what they're supposed to be doing.
Midst of a Minnesota blizzard, and yours truly is froze.
Hello. I didn't know you were bringing the fireplace.
Need some help? Well, we got there, got that dropped off. I'm going to stop and get a victory pie, and we'll be back to the shop. On to the next thing. Where do you want to stop for a victory pie, Pine? Dunkin' or McDonald's or...
Does Dunkin' have pastry?
It's Dunkin' Donuts, they have donuts.
No, but some donut places have other bakery things. Bakery fritters.
Well, we got it in, got her done, so we'll head on back to the shop and get ready to go on the next project.
I bet they have a French cooler.
I thought a cooler was something you put drinks in to keep it cold.
A cooler?